Ecom Crusher is a website that claims to give users a chance to make thousands of dollars within hours. The business opportunity promises its members that they will earn more than their current salary. This website promises its users to make more than $10,000 within 5 days if they follow their technique. They claim that money can be made if you just dedicate only an hour of your day to the website. Click the link in the description below this video for details. This is possible with this revolutionary method called Ecom Crusher. Anyone can make $500,000 with the help of this new method, which takes only 30 minutes per day. It does not require any special knowledge to use this online system. If you can spend 30 minutes per day, then you have more chance to earn huge money. This website offers the newest way to earn huge amounts of cash online. The included secrets help to make a stable income. Ecom Crusher system is intellectually created to help anyone, even those with little experience or technical skills, to create a streaming online store and sales funnel in just a few clicks. This website designed for everyone, so no need any technical knowledge. Ecom Crusher is a new online opportunity to earn more than $500,000 per year. This will provide a stable income. It will show you how easy it is to make this amount of money. Finally, you get a real opportunity to earn more money online. It is fully synchronized with Shopify. It's the leading platform for e-commerce. Within few minutes, Shopify will make transactions for $555,716. Shopify is the largest growing sales giant for ordinary people. Everyone can use Shopify to pull out thousands of dollars in online money every week. Ecom Crusher is part of the internet traffic pool, specifically designed to buy users and take you directly to money. No sidestep, no intricate maneuvers, you go directly to the millions of online customers who are willing to buy the products that you offer. And most importantly, you will not need to process any products, nor pay for any products for sale, or do anything at all during the entire purchasing process. In fact, you only need 30 to 60 minutes of your day, laptop or smartphone, and an internet connection. Anyone can use this special tool to create an incredible profit from Shopify. Click the link in the description below this video for details.